shot. Murphy back, challenged by Soderberg. They collide in the corner. And now the Avs dig it out. Rantanen rolled it loose. Here's Soderberg trying to center. The pass deflected to Delia, who swats it aside. Now the Avs able to clear. Soderberg picked it up, threw it in front. Rantanen couldn't catch the pass cleanly. Still tried a shot that was smothered by Keith. Avoiding a check. Looks out in front, trying to find a loose stick. It bounced free. Kane to Taves, the shot. Save Varlamov! Great pass from Kane to Taves, and Varlamov beat him. And out come the Hawks. Here comes Cahoon. For Strome. Cahoon heading for the net. Strome for DeBrincat. Save made Varlamov. Rebound. Just eluding Cahoon. Lately, though, got a lot better. Here they're going to give up the 2-on-1 here with Isamov. The shot. Save Varlamov. Rebound Andrighetto getting it out. McKinnon racing ahead. He's going to get there. McKinnon in on Keith, right to the goal. Poke check, Delia. And he still had to make a save after the poke check. Now Nieto wrapped it around Rantanen. He tried to center. A shot. Save, Delia. Good save on a Soderberg stuff shot. And Forsling moved it ahead. Taves going to look for Kane. Patrick Kane's going to get the line. Dropped it back. Taves right to the goal with a shot. Good save by Varlamov. Soderberg under pressure, nearly lost it. Now it's taken by Murphy. DeBrincat in front. Cahoon, the shot. Save, rebound. Oh, goal post from Strome.
I think Dylan Strome thought he scored.
Right through Johnson. Centered it. Kane, a shot. Point save made by Varlamov. Kane was in so tight he couldn't really operate the way he would have liked. Now the Avs 4-on-2 the other way. A chance. Soderberg right to the goal. He scores. Carl Soderberg on a 4.
He splits the pads of Colin Delia. Goes 5-hole in a hurry.
And here they come. McKinnon's trying to split the couple of checks. He did with the last second. Good poke check. Gustafson. McKinnon has it again. Hacks it ahead. And it hit a leg going wide. Rantanen. Now the Avs looking to make something happen. Came out in front, centering pass. What a save, Delia! Oh, great post-to-post move by Delia to deny Greer.
Colin Delia, I thought it was a pad. Watch the glove.
Out in front by Marcus Kruger, who comes ahead. Or Anisimov, rather, a shot. Oh, that hit a Colorado stick. What a save, Varlamov. Out of an Anisimov pass attempt.
Watch 49 with the stick blocking the pass. Almost puts it into his own net. And that's, real good concentration by Varlamov. Just gets the tip.
Long shot, never got to the net. Sekera the other way. Now Anisimov. Artem Anisimov, 4 points his last 4 games. Gets it back with a shot. Good save, Varlamov, point blank. Patrick Kane looking to extend a 19-game point streak. Now it's Gustafson. The other way to Keith. Gustafson's one-timer. Missed the net. Rebound. They score! Dylan Strome. A hot...
Realizes it's going to be a hot puck. It comes off those end boards, and he's right there. Right place, right time. Just jams it in before Johnson can get to his stick.
Changing as that one dump-in was executed, so not much chance of a retrieval. Anisimov came off the bench in front of Kane. Right on, and a save by Varlamov. And a jump loose to Cahoon. DeBrincat across for Strome. He dives it front. Oh, Cahoon on a bouncer. He couldn't settle it down, or he would have been right in. It's cleared up the boards. Greer getting it out. Now chopped ahead. Calvert chased it down right to the goal. Save, Delia. That's deflecting into the corner, and Avs able to get it back. Barry kept it in momentarily. Saad came up with a now a breakaway. Here's a chance for Anisimov in there short-handed. Save, Varlamov. Avs get a draw. Go down low, pass in front of the shot. They score. Nice play to JT Compher. A couple enough. You give the Avs enough power play chances, they're going to cash, and now they lead. And now this Taves line creates more havoc. He's got it with a shot. It's blocked, rebound, Kane, open net. Patrick Kane, set up by Jonathan Taves.
He gives it to the open man on the far side of the rink. That's Patrick Kane.
And now a 20-game point streak for 88 Red. And Murphy, as well as Saad, stepped into him. Now Barry looks to center. It's picked off, a shot, and a save made by Delia. Nathan McKinnon dropped it back. Gerard. Tried to center a shot. Oh, and the puck was rolling on Ranton, and he chipped it wide. Here's a long one. Save made, Delia, rebound. He's able to capture. Pass bounced loose, and Toews comes up with it. Then he's pressured. Landeskog the takeaway. Landeskog had a shot. Goal to shore. Gabriel Landeskog. Jonathan.
Great shot by the captain, his 32nd of the year.
Dropping to Toews. Gustafson's open. His long shot. Tip. Oh, what a save and a redirect. Neat tip, Kajula. Strong gonna drop it. Gustafson comes to Toews. Gustafson lets it go. Save on him. Rebound. They score to break it. Picked up the rebound. And
Second shot stopped by Varlamov, but the kid stays with it.
even if they don't win the lottery, they don't own their pick. They're last. Allen steal to break it. Save. Varlamov rebound. Came in front. Bounce back to the brinket. Pulled up across for Cuckoo. Return pass broken up. There goes Comfer. He's going to get a breakaway. J.T. Comfer is in from center ice. Goal post and then off the netminder and in. He beat Delia.
Comes right back, hits him in the leg. Here's the pass, and it gets picked off right in the middle. Nemeth with the pickoff. So he'll get the assist. Comfer with the goal off the crossbar, off the foot, and into the net.
Now it's Kane. Gustafson. Kane's one-timer again. Right into the head of the glove. Oh! Varlamov thought he had it. He didn't. Here's Kane again. Varlamov rebound. It's loose. Saved by Varlamov on a sound stuff. He chased it down. Calvert got it out. The race is on. Soderberg for the empty net. Colorado Blackhawks. And the home team's never won a game in this regular season series. A huge victory for Colorado to extend their lead over Chicago to 2 points. And Varlamov